Is it a good time to buy gold? We are in the middle of 2020 and this is the most asked question by investors in the last few days. No wonder, because this is the only investment that is going up these days. International spot gold prices in dollar terms have gone up by 17% in 2020 till date. Investors are desperate since the COVID-19 crisis happened, as they have seen stock markets crashing, and as yet end of this crisis doesn't seem to be in sight. So the scenario continues to be bleak. On top of that, people are losing faith in debt markets because of the debacle in those 6 debt fund schemes of Franklin Templeton. The interest rates are down, and hence FDs, bonds, and fixed income instruments are also not very attractive. The crisis, of course, is not just limited to our own country. Globally, the COVID-19 has paralyzed economies. Stock markets all over the world are down. People are even scared to keep money in banks. The general feeling is that it will take quite a while for the world to come to normal. At such times, it is perceived that the only safe investment is gold. And that's the reason for upsurge in gold prices. But this is not new. We had seen this happen during those 2008 economic crisis also. So the question is, should we really invest in gold now? A follow-up question could be, do we expect the upsurge in gold prices to continue? And if yes, for how long? The answer is not easy. We have always said that gold should be looked at as a hedge against inflation. So gold also goes through the cycle of upsurge, stagnation, sometimes even dips in value, but that happens over a period of many years. The point to be made is that the kind of upsurge we are presently witnessing is not sustainable for a long period of time. Eventually, it will slow down and the return on investment will still be in single digits. So making a tactical bet to enter and exit the gold rally will be very tricky. So you all see on the screen a graph of the price movement of Nifty and international gold over the last 1 year. The blue line depicts Nifty price movements, while the orange line represents the gold price movements. You will observe that both have an almost perfectly inverse correlation. As the index shows a downward trend, gold prices start going up and vice versa. So if in the next 2-3 years the current crisis is contained and the economic situation improves, you will see stock markets surging up again and the attraction of gold as an investment will wane. Then what should you do? Should you forget about gold? Is the opportunity to invest gone? An investor should look at gold as an inevitable component of the portfolio, but the investment should be a maximum limit of 10% of the overall portfolio. This you can do the way you create an equity portfolio in small installments on a monthly basis. You can invest in gold through ETFs, mutual funds, sovereign gold bond schemes. If you have a Demat account, you can buy gold in electronic form as ETFs on the stock exchange. Gold ETFs are easily tradable on the exchanges and can be bought in as small quantity as equivalent to 1 gram. You can also invest in gold mutual funds just as you invest in equity or debt mutual funds. In that case, no Demat account is required. Both gold ETFs and mutual funds are liquid and can be redeemed anytime, just like any stock or mutual fund scheme. Be very clear that you are buying gold as a part of your investment portfolio. So only buy in the forms described above. If you are buying ornaments, jewelry for your wife to show your eternal love for her, it does not count in the portfolio. The simple reason is that this gold will never be looked at as an investment and will be permanently locked up either in your cupboards or in your bank lockers, and only will surface occasionally during family functions. I don't want a curse of the lady, so I'm obviously not saying don't buy jewelry. All I'm saying is that if you do, don't count it as a part of your portfolio. I'm Yogin Sabnis and you're watching the VSK India YouTube channel. Please like and share the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.